Hey y'all, today we're doing a simple DIY hair mask. So there's no cooking involved, no stove, no pots or pans, just two ingredients. So the first one is aloe vera. This is a regular aloe vera leaf. I tried to get the one that feels the firmest and looks the greenest at my produce store. So usually it's in the produce section of a market or a produce store. So just make sure your store has it. A lot of stores do. So you just want to cut it in 3 pieces because it is a very large leaf. And then you want to cut it in half and just start cutting out the meat, which is the clear gelatin substance that we're going to be putting in our hair. So yeah, so just scoop that all out. It may be a little firm and you may need to use a knife to scoop out all of the gel. That's what I had to do. Sometimes I can use a spoon, but then sometimes the gel is a little too firm, so I have to use a knife. Then after that, I just throw away the rest of the plant and dispose of it. Next, I'm gonna get out 3 avocados, and yeah, I only need 3 this time because the aloe vera leaf is pretty big, so I have a lot of aloe vera meat. So I'm just gonna cut open out the avocado, take the seed out, throw the seed away, and then scoop out the meat of the avocado, and just throw away the skins into the garbage. So once you've done that, you don't need to add any water this time because the aloe vera will take care of that. And you can see here everything blended well once the aloe vera reached the bottom of the blades and helped everything blend together well. So you just want to blend it up until everything's nice and smooth. You maybe want to blend 3 times, just shake and then blend. Then you want to get out your nut milk bag in a bowl and then pour out the blended aloe vera and avocado into that bowl. Then scoop out the rest to get your money's worth. And then after that, this part is really simple. You just pull the drawstring and it strains out of the bag. And this bag is on Amazon for like $6 for a pack of 2. So definitely invest in this. It's the best thing to have when you do a DIY hair mask, so you don't get any flakes or any crazy stuff in your hair afterwards. So now let's go ahead and shampoo. So now I'm at the shower and my hair is ready to be washed. So I'm just gonna rinse it with warm water and then I apply my shampoo while finger detangling gently, and then I rinse it out with warm water. Okay, so we're finally ready to apply the mask. So I'm gonna section up my hair. Okay, so let's start. So here's the mask. Very smooth and gloopy. It's not really like slimy, it's more foamy. Like the okra one was more foamy, was more slimy. I'm supposed to go back here. Look at that, my hair is soaking it up. Remember to pull out the shedded hairs. It just helps, okay? They're getting longer now since my hair is getting longer. Hurt more. I wonder how long my hair will be at the end of the summer after doing these hairstyles this summer. Can't wait to see. I hope my bang is like regular length and I can finally wear like a middle part natural hairstyle, like a middle part twist out. Like I always wanted to do those, but my hair was always shorter. And now we're getting the growth. I'm excited. Look at this, my hair is just smoothing down. This mask is a good mask. Look at this, y'all. Very good mask. People ask me, why do I put food in my hair? Do you not see this? Okay. Look at my cheekbone. Why do they look so apple-ish? People ask me why. Why do I put food in my hair? This is why. Do you see the curls? Like, hello? Why? The question is, why aren't you? But it's always your choice. We have options and choices. I wish I could like do my hair like this and it stays like this, but it's type 4, so this is my hair, because people ask, what is your hair type? So it looks like type 3 when it's like this. Well defined, soaked up, sopped up in the product. It looks like type 3. And then it dries and has so much volume as type 4. It's like really hard to say which one it is because it's type 4 when it's dry. We're talking about dry natural hair when your hair is completely done, type 4. I can do a twist out and it looks voluminous, so type. Okay, let's do the back now. I feel like I don't even know what I was gonna say, so ignore me. Ouch. The back, my back always grows so fast. Or maybe it's just that it's positioned down there, I don't know. Maybe it's because my hair is like lower than the rest of my hair on my head, so it seems to be growing faster. Alright, so I'm done. Alright, so usually I let it sit. So I'm gonna let it sit, clean up, and then rinse it out and then come. Okay, so this is after I've rinsed it out, put on some butter. So yeah, definitely try this mask. It's great for your hair, great for the frizz, great for moisture, great for everything. So thumbs up this video, check out more like this on my channel, and I'll see you guys on the next one.